Hi guys, I'm Varun and today I'm going to do a recipe for you guys. Today I want to talk to you guys about arancini balls. So basically it's a classic Italian dish that is made from risotto rice, which is the short grain rice. You cook it with some onions, some cheese and some herbs, and then you roll it out into small little balls and then you deep fry them. So it's actually a party snack kind of a thing. So I want to do a version of that, but an Indian version of that, of course, utilizing the things we have in our kitchens that are readily available to us and are basically sort of leftovers in our homes. So arancini is made from short grain rice, arborio rice. I'm going to be doing the same with our regular basmati rice, and I'm going to be adding our leftover dal to it. So as we all know that dal and chawal are a great combination, so that's why I'm using dal chawal as the base of the arancini, rolling it out into like small balls with like herbs and spices and then deep frying it. So it's a very good option if you want to utilize your leftovers and also want like a light snack for your evening high tea or your parties. So let's check out this recipe.